Hello and welcome. Here in this module we are going to know about data extraction. Data extraction means getting information from the bunch of data. Here we will pass three parameter to the constructor, and we will get in next method. We will make class of bst abstract and nothing will be there, and we will define method of init. In this method we will get self a comma b comma c. We will get three parameter from user, and now this is first parameter and we are getting one parameter will be get default. Let's say self dot a is equal to a, self dot b is equal to b, self dot c is equal to c, and nothing. I will take define and get. Here it will get two parameter self and I means index of this. We will start from 1 2 3 here and make if I double is equal to 1, then we have to print self dot a, and else if I is equal to 2, then we have to print self dot b, else if I is equal to 3, we have to make double equal to. Don't forget this because we are comparing with this if the I is that or not. Dot c. If their user enter more than 3, then it will not give. Here let's make the index. Here we can make the index object is equal to abst, and we have to pass 3 10 20 and 30. Now we will get here two method of data extraction is there. Get the object dot get, we have to simply make, suppose I will make 1, then I will get that. I should get 10. Yes, I have get 10. Let's make this by own function. I will define this function below here. Define, I will make choose, this will choose the class, because if we pass make different object here and we have to pass different object here, we have to call this many times, so we will make simply class that function. Then here what we will do this is we have to we will get here object of the class, and let's make this o and index from that, and just return here, return get o dot get, and inside get I will pass index. Suppose I have, let's obj dot choose no need to change this, choose and make obj comma 1. Let's print here choose. Here we can also make here for loop here, for I in range 1 comma 4, because we have to pass more than 3, and let's make, we have to make this here and we can pass this simply I. it will print this multiple times. This is the method of data abstraction in easy way. Let's print this. I will print all the values. What we need, I will say here 2 to 4 and it will print last 2. This is how we can print this data, and we will do some example in coming series. And I want to leave this video here. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us and get more knowledge.